while we've been talking about, hey, this is a good thing, there's $1 million policy, there's going to be an order of recovery. First, we're going to go after the at-fault driver, okay? Sarah, you touched on this, that might be a minimum policy, $2,550. So the only way that you can adequately protect yourself is to raise your underinsured motorist coverage. You have to get as much as you can possibly afford. And that's coverage that steps in if there's not enough insurance on the front end. Again, you're never going to be made whole. But if you get the at-fault policy, you have adequate underinsured motorist coverage policy, we get that policy for you. And then we go after this, you have a chance.
We tell everybody all the time, whether you're on a motorcycle, in a car, an RV, whatever that looks like for you, raise your UIM to as much as you can afford.
And I've been hearing this a lot recently, that I have full coverage. So even if you think you have full coverage, make sure you look at that policy, because full coverage means that your property damage is going to get fixed, whether you cause the accident or someone else does. And that's protecting the bank who you make your payments to. That's not protecting you. So underinsured motorist coverage is the only insurance that you can really buy to protect yourself in case something bad happens, and it's worth every penny. It's not that much extra on your policy either.
And we tell people all the time when we meet people out, or we do rallies or community service projects or whatever, call us. We'll look at your insurance, send us your deck page, and we'll tell you for free exactly where you're lacking and what you need to up. And almost 100% of the time, 99.9% of the time, that you need to up your UIM and UM. So if they have no insurance or they don't have enough to cover you, you need to up those to as much as you can afford.